back and I am going to do, gosh, I'm going to be baking all day today because I got a lot of breads to do and some sweet breads and, you know, such as that. But first and foremost, I am going to do my dad's favorite, baking powder biscuits. So I am going to use the recipe that I have in Little Homestead Pantry on page 154, baking powder biscuits. Now I'm doubling this recipe, and this recipe calls for rolling it out and cutting it out, but you already know that I never do that. I put all mine in muffin tins. I don't roll anything out. So anyway, we'll start with that. I've got 6 cups of flour in my bowl. Remember, I'm doubling. I've got 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, and 2 teaspoons of salt. And that's all going to go in there too. Okay? And let's see, I'm going to give that a good little whisk. I'm just going to whisk that up before I put anything else in there. Okay. All right, and with that, I have got a stick and a half of butter. Normally it calls for 6 tablespoons, but I got a stick and a half because I'm doubling. So I'm going to put all that in there. And it's not real soft, but it's softer. So, what I'm going to do with this is the old-fashioned way. I am going to start cutting this in here with my little pastry blender. And we want this to get looking like coarse cornmeal. Okay? Might take a few minutes. But these are wonderful. I've got a lot of stuff to do today, baking-wise, so there'll be quite a few videos coming up. These are wonderful. Every year I have to make about 3 different kinds of rolls for Christmas dinner because everybody likes something different. That's alright, I'll bake like crazy. Okay, this is getting there. It's starting to get all blended in. This is how I want it. I have got right here, I'll use this. Okay, I think we got it and it looks pretty good. See, it's it looks coarse. It looks like some cornmeal going on in there. So that's good. That's what we wanted, and that's good right there. I want those chunks of butter out of there. There we go. All right. Now the only thing we have left to do is pour in 2 cups of milk. And then we can start mixing it. These things are so easy to make, and they're so good. I remember when I was a little girl, my grandmother used to make these, and I just absolutely loved them. Okay, now I've got to get some gloves. Because I'm going to mix this and knead it a little bit right in the bowl. That way there's no mess. Okay? That's there. And just start kneading it. It might look like it needs more liquid, but don't add more liquid. Just knead it. unless you get, it doesn't form a nice dough. Sometimes you may have to add more. But see, it's coming together really nice. See how that looks? That's what you want to see. You only got to knead it, not too much. Just till it's all incorporated. Okay, perfect. I think, no, we don't have it. A little bit more on the bottom there. Oh. All right, looks pretty good. The bowl is empty and it's all incorporated. Okay, so all I do, friends, is I just take my muffin tin. I know they say, oh, just cut these out. Nope. I just drop them in my muffin tin, because these are going to get big too. See, I just pinch bunches off and put it in there. These will be really nice. You will not believe how easy these are to do. Okay, got another one here, because I'm making a double batch. This usually makes between 10 and 12, depending on what size you make them, I got a couple that I can add to as well. Got a little bit left here. This I can put in with this one. It can go in here. This little bit can go in here. Let's see. All right. There they are. Now, I'm going to butter the tops of these. Brush and a little bit of melted butter. I've got to melt my butter. Actually, I'll be right back. I'll melt it and show you how I do it. I'm back, friends. I'll show you. I just take a little bit of butter and just brush them. These will turn out really nice. All right. Now these are going to go in a 425-degree oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. And when they're done, I'll bring you back and show you how beautiful they turn out. Friends, these are screaming hot, but look how gorgeous they turned out. I'm just going to put a little bit of butter on them. Let them cool in here. And then I'm going to put them away for Christmas, which is just a day away. These will be good. I'm going to store all my baked goods and my rolls and everything out in my sun porch because it's like a walk-in cooler. I'm going to do deviled eggs and everything, and I just put it all out there, and I love that in the wintertime. It's about 35 degrees out there, so everything is like super cooled. Okay, friends, there you have it. Those are gorgeous. Nice and golden brown. They're beautiful. Easy recipe, and it's easy. It's easy. I mean, easy peasy to, instead of rolling them all out and making all that big mess, to just put them in a muffin tin. And if I can hold this, look at, they turn out beautiful. Nice and solid and gorgeous. So there you have it, friends. Thanks for watching.